How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Since Samsung has started rolling out the latest and greatest One UI 8.5 update for their older Samsung phones, and many of you already got this massive update on your Galaxy device, I thought why not go ahead and show you some of the hidden One UI 8.5 features that will take your customization to a whole new level and also help you get the most out of your Samsung phone. So if you are a Galaxy user, then it's a must-watch video for you, so stay tuned and watch it until the very end. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. It would mean a lot to me. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, starting things with the quick panel. Although Samsung has already made a lot of changes here with One UI 8.5, and now you can resize and change the position of every single toggle as well as the volume and brightness slider, there is a lot more you can do once you install the Good Lock app on your phone. Just go inside and then download the Quick Start module. Here simply go to Advanced Settings and then turn on this option that says Resize Panel Items. This gives you even more freedom and you can freely move and adjust every single tile inside the quick panel however you want to. You can also adjust the size of the media control, make the brightness and volume slider as big or small you like. Even you can change the shape of the toggles and do a lot more. Not just that, you can also turn on this option called Show Bar Levels to precisely control the volume and brightness on your phone, as it basically shows the exact number when you adjust these sliders. Then there is another interesting feature that I really wanted to show you. Just click on Edit Panel Style and this allows you to completely change the way how your control panel looks like. I mean, it lets you literally add your own custom image as a background to every single element inside the quick panel. For example, you can add a particular image to the media control and apply something different for the volume and brightness slider. Once you are done adding all different pictures, this will take your quick settings to a whole new level. I really don't think you'll get such level of customization on any other Android phone. Coming to the home screen, well, finally Samsung has given us the option to resize the app folders. So now you can adjust the size and change the shape of the folders to match your home screen layout. The best part, it lets you resize in all different ways. I mean, you can make the folder as big as it covers the entire home screen, which is not possible on other phones. Now to enable this option, simply head over to the Good Lock app and then go inside the Home Up module. Select Home Screen, then scroll all the way down. You need to enable the large folder option and then make sure you change it to custom. Here you can also turn on the page scroll toggle as well. That's it. Now you can resize the folder however you want to. And if you just press and hold, go into folder settings. Here it even lets you change the folder color and you can also adjust the blur intensity too. So just for the app folders, the level of customization is something that is only possible on Samsung's One UI. Since you are talking about Home Up, this module even lets you adjust the content size inside the widgets on your home screen, so you can increase or decrease the text size to perfectly match your home screen aesthetic. Then if you go inside the icon settings, here you can enable this option that says Edit App Label, and once it's done, if you go back and long press on any app icon, you get this pencil option, and by tapping on it, you can edit the app label and change the color as well. So you can have different colors for each icon individually, or you can set the color that matches your home screen wallpaper. To further help you in customizing the home screen, you can also use the Theme Park module where you can add some nice effects to the icon and make them look attractive. You can add gradient, glass, or even give a 3D kind of a look to the app icons that definitely makes your home screen stand out. Next, inside the Good Lock app, you need to install this module called Gallery Assistant that consists of many useful tools for your pictures like reduce size, image clipper, add watermark, compare images, save as PDF, and more. Now after updating your phone to One UI 8.5, you'll able to access all these tools directly from your gallery even without having to open the Good Lock app every single time. Let me show you how it actually works. If you open the gallery and quickly select a bunch of pictures, all you have to do is just tap on more, and now you can see we have got this brand new option called Edit with Gallery Assistant. When you click on it, you get all useful tools. You can reduce and compress the size of all the images you have selected. Then you can extract parts of images to save them as stickers. You can add custom watermarks, save all pictures as PDF file, and do lot more. So these are the tools you can directly access from your gallery, and all of them come in really useful at times. Now coming to the lock screen, although we get all different customization options, the only thing that is missing here is the depth effect clock, which we are getting in most other Android UIs nowadays. And in order to get this feature, first you need to completely hide the default clock on your phone. And to do that, simply long press, unlock your phone, go to customization page, and here select any solid color for the clock. Then go to color picker, completely reduce the transparency level by using the slider, and then hit on done. That's it. Now you can install our very own Screencraft application from the Play Store, and I'll make sure to drop a direct link for that in the description below. Once done, now open the app and go to depth effect section, where you get a bunch of beautiful wallpapers for your lock screen, and when you select one, you will get this gorgeous depth effect clock, which you can also customize, adjust the size and width, change the color as well. Now once everything is done, simply hit on apply and set the wallpaper on your lock screen. That's it. Now you'll have this beautiful looking clock along with a stunning wallpaper that completely changes the way how your lock screen looks. Definitely check out this application. It is totally free on the Play Store. That's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the hidden features, tips and tricks for your Samsung Galaxy phone running One UI 8.5. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.